What's up, y'all? It's Silly Dilly. New attire. It's gonna be a good year. 2020 is our year. We're gonna start off with a double-decker taco from Taco Bell. Pretty iconic. Got the soft shell with the cheese in the middle, and then you got the regular Taco Bell filling, whatever that is. Who knows? But it's damn good. So I'm gonna make it better, y'all. Silly Dilly, let's get it. All right, y'all. Let's talk about this too. Let's taco about it, eh? Look at that cheese. Cheese where? We gonna make ours real cheesy, baby, just like Silly Dilly. And let it begin. All right, time for the taco meat. Let's get this taco meat. So we're gonna get hamburger meat. All right, whatever they use, it's probably not hamburger meat, but we making hamburger meat today, y'all. So it's your handy dandy spatula. I don't like this one. So we're gonna do this one. Has some integrity, all right? Not like your dad. We're gonna get this on a high. Not 420 high, baby. Heat high. So we're gonna let this cook down, and I'm gonna show you how to use some taco seasoning. I didn't just buy regular taco seasoning. We're gonna make our own today. So we're gonna let this cook down, get the grease out. So stay tuned, stay tuned. You can use a really sharp knife to cut your tomatoes, but a little hack I found is use a steak knife because it's serrated and it cuts through your tomatoes pretty easily, and you won't have mushy tomatoes. I personally don't really like tomatoes. If you like tomatoes, then I really don't like you, but it's okay. I'll show you how to chop these spawns of Satan. You just want a small dice. Turn it. Just kidding, I'm gonna turn my body because I can't turn the tomato, baby. And they're not, like I said, they're not mushed. They're just really watery, and these things are just not good, but Taco Bell uses them, so I gotta use them to make a comparison, baby. So I'm gonna finish these up. We're gonna go to whoever likes these things. Sorry, I kinda like ketchup, that's about it. So I'm gonna finish this up, and we'll go ahead and continue our hamburger meat's boiling away right there and all its fat. It's disgusting, baby, but we gonna make it delicious. All right, so taco meat, this is what we're gonna do. Garlic salt. We're gonna do about a tablespoon of garlic salt, beloved seasoning salt, about half tablespoon of that. A little bit of chili powder. We don't want to make this hot, but we do want to make sure it's taco-like, all right? It's Taco Tuesday, baby. About 2 teaspoons of pepper. We're gonna do cumin. This is really strong, so you just really want to do a couple sprinkles, all right? And yeah, I don't think I want anything else in this, so we're gonna go ahead and taste this once we mix it up. And I want to put in about 3 tablespoons of water. We're gonna let this go now. Might need to season a little bit more, but we're gonna go ahead and try it, all right? Taco Bell, it's like a maroon brown. Might be shit, all right? And for all we know, it's good shit, all right? But we're not gonna make shit today, y'all. We're making some taco meat. Mix that all together. Do a little taste, don't burn yourself. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. A little bit more chili powder. And a little bit more cumin, just a little bit. Salt's there because we did garlic salt and sea salt. And then the tears of our enemies, you know what I mean? Plenty salty. I'll let that go. We're gonna go ahead and make that bomb cheese sauce. It's Silly Dilly's Big Queso coming soon. Show you how to make it. All right, so Big Queso contains 1 shallot, 1 full garlic clove. What we're gonna do, get that in some olive oil, mix that together. We're gonna let these caramelize up. We don't wanna get these all the way cooked, so just translucent. Can't say translucent, all right? But whatever. You know the word, baby. All right, give that about a minute. We'll move on to the next step. All right, so we got our onion and our shallots. They're translucent now. Usually I go with milk, but we don't have any, so we're gonna use heavy whipping cream. You gotta adapt in the kitchen, baby. All right, adapt. Can't forget the Velveeta. This is cheese gold right here, baby. Process is hell, but what isn't process is hell, all right? Them shoes you wearing right now, baby, they process as hell. So now what you wanna do is you wanna get your Velveeta. You can cut it up in your hand, just don't cut yourself. Throw in cubes. Just like that. We use a small one, we don't need a big one. Oh, my new apron, jacket. That's why they call me Spilly Dilly, baby. What he do, baby? Now you mix that in. And just like that, y'all. Big queso. Big not included, sorry. Almost done, check it out. Let that finish melting. And we're gonna build soon, baby. We're gonna build soon.
Three, two.
We got everything cooked. What time it is, baby? It's time to eat. All right, y'all, so you take a look. We got Taco Bell's. I had to buy it for myself. And we got ours. I bought the hot sauce. I wasn't gonna go and make that myself because can't replicate that stuff, baby. This is crack. So we're gonna do a comparison. Their taco, my taco. So a little bit of sauce. Let's try it. Classic though. Can't complain. Yep. Like I said, they're ground beef. It's pretty brown. I'm gonna try ours now, y'all. Same thing, put the sauce on it, baby. Cheers, y'all. Taco Tuesday. That cheese sauce, baby. Big dick cheese sauce, big dick queso. Makes a difference, baby. Try it out, y'all. These are definitely classics. I'll order them on lunch, don't matter. But ours is better. Try it. Impress your family. Impress your friends on Tuesday. Thank you all for watching. Let me know what you thought of this episode. And we'll see you next week. Chef Silly Dilly. We out, baby. As you can see, it's starting to look really good. You can take this big dick queso to a potluck. Let your kid take it to the cafeteria. Or even your cousin's bar mitzvah, it don't matter. Who's gonna complain about big dick queso? I mean.